Synthesia has significantly enhanced its video sharing capabilities in 2025 with improved privacy controls and security features. The platform now offers granular privacy settings, advanced link management, enterprise grade security, and mobile optimization for all shared content. Let's explore the four main sharing options available in Synthesia. Synthesia provides four main sharing options: public links for unrestricted access, private links with password protection, embed codes for website integration, and download links for direct file access. Now, let's examine the different privacy levels available for your shared content. Privacy levels range from public access for anyone with the link to unlisted content accessible only via direct link, private content requiring authentication, and domain-restricted sharing limited to specific domains or IP ranges. For enterprise users, Synthesia provides additional security features to meet business requirements. Enterprise features include SSO integration for seamless authentication, domain restrictions for access control, comprehensive access logging for audit trails, and end-to-end data encryption for content protection. These enhanced privacy controls and security features make Synthesia a comprehensive platform for secure video sharing in professional environments. Synthesia supports multiple video formats and quality options to meet different sharing needs. The platform primarily uses MP4 format, which provides excellent compatibility across all devices and platforms. Synthesia uses adaptive streaming technology to optimize video playback across different devices and connection speeds. This ensures smooth viewing whether users are on mobile devices, tablets, or desktop computers. One of Synthesia's most powerful features is the ability to embed videos directly into websites using customizable iframe codes. This allows seamless integration into existing web platforms and content management systems. For organizations using Synthesia, it's essential to define privacy requirements before sharing content, implement appropriate access controls based on your audience, and regularly monitor analytics to track engagement and optimize your video strategy. Analytics play a crucial role in optimizing your Synthesia video strategy. The platform provides detailed insights into viewer behavior, engagement rates, and performance metrics that help you understand how your content is performing. Looking ahead, Synthesia is developing exciting new features, including interactive elements within videos, advanced analytics capabilities, and API-first approaches that enable programmatic sharing and management of video content.